Bronze medalist, India, Pasala V. Sindhu.
PV Sindhu defeated He Bingjia of China to win a bronze medal at the Tokyo Olympics 2020. The A shuttler became the first Indian woman to win two individual Olympic medals. PV Sindhu delivered a straight win over world number 5 Japanese Akane Yamaguchi at the Tokyo Olympics 2020 to reach the semi-finals. But it still wasn't enough as she went up against world number 1 Tai Yu Ying of China and lost the semi-final clash by 18-21, 12-21. She took on another Chinese player, He Bingjia, in the bronze medal match and defeated her by 21-13 and 21-15. While the gold has been elusive for the Indians at the Games, she stormed out the stacked fields in two straight Olympic cycles to maintain her place in top 3 over the last 5 years, something that none of her contemporaries have managed owing to injuries or big occasion fragility. More than anything else, Sindhu got the job done 24 hours after her biggest dream of an Olympic gold crashed to the floor. In what was her most commanding display of the game, Sindhu was pushed for every point she won, and even more on the ones that her Chinese rival nicked away from her. The cross-court smashes got even more menacing in the second and Sindhu merely went for a body shot early in the set. Bingjiao's last resistance happened around the mid-game interval of the second, when surprisingly she attempted to unfurl a backcourt flurry, dumping her reliance on the net. It was like opening a dainty 6-spoke umbrella in a stormy bluster of shower. She got rained over. PV Ramana and P. Vijaya, both her parents were elite athletes, volleyball player at the national level. For more than 12 years, her father would wake up at 3 am to take her to the Pulela Gopichand's Academy where she trained. The distance they travelled was 60 km twice a day. PV Sindhu's elder sister P. Divya got married in Hyderabad in 2012, but the badminton player could not attend the wedding because of a tournament. PV Sindhu, then 17-year-old, was playing in the Syed Modi International India Grand Prix Gold in Lucknow at that time. PV Sindhu's Instagram confirms that she is a big-time foodie. Delicious looking dishes and references to the food features often on her timeline. PV Sindhu became the first Indian badminton player to win an Olympic silver medal. To help her focus on training for the Olympics, her coach Pulela Gopichand took her phone away from her for whole 3 months. It is to be noted that before the Olympic Games began, Prime Minister Narendra Modi had asked Sindhu about her diet if she had forgo one of her favorite food items, ice cream, as a part of her preparation. The Prime Minister had told her then that if she returned with a medal, he would have ice cream with her.
और मुझे विश्वास है कि इस बार भी आप जरूर सफल होगी और इधर सफलता के बाद मेरा मिलना होता ही आप लोगों से तो मैं भी आपके साथ आइसक्रीम खाऊंगा.
After her win, her father PV Ramana said that she would be taking PM Modi up on his offer when she returned from Tokyo.
जो एनकरेजमेंट हमारे प्रधानमंत्री मोदी जी ने दिए हैं, बोले हैं कि सिंधु आप जाओ, आने के बाद हम आइसक्रीम खाएंगे, तो जरूर मेडल ले आई है. तो हम अभी सिंधु तो अभी जाके प्रधानमंत्री जी से आइसक्रीम खाएगी.
While her senior Saina Nehwal is definitely the trusted warrior of the Indian badminton and has been the torchbearer of the sport, it is with PV Sindhu that badminton in India has scaled to unprecedented heights and tasted a flurry of international success with top-notch consistency. Having clinched successive Olympic medals in Tokyo and Rio, India's badminton star PV Sindhu has set her eyes on the next Olympic Games in Paris for the gold medal.